138 Southwest 51st. So the entire street was flooded. You can see everybody's got damages. One new construction down there. Mixed match of houses, some old ones, some new ones. This is priced at $599, and I mean literally the lot value is probably $450, maybe $500, $400 back until just recently. But yeah, it's a one-car garage, older tile roof. So you walk in a little screened entryway at an angle. Still has the old terrazzo floors. It's definitely got the smell, but they did come in and cut out the water line. Nothing's been done to the pool. Looks like the roof was '04. So for insurance purposes, probably need a new roof, and it is tile, but you could shingle it, don't have to go back with tile. So this is a typical old They took the cabinets and left the tile. So they had done some remodeling here, but like to make it modern, and now you got the opportunity, I would take this entire wall out right here. You can see how that would be. Here's the one-car garage. I believe there's laundry in the garage in this property. Right here was laundry. Not seeing any roof leaks. So this is your, oh, they saved the Cambria. This would be your master. One small walk-in closet. Old plumbing. Look at that old plumbing coming up through the floor. Impact windows. I don't know they've had a portable air conditioner here. Real small master bathroom. Original. Sliders. This used to be a lanai and they closed it all in, so the sliders from the master just go out to more living space. That doesn't make sense. Got another bathroom, all the original, the guest bathroom. It does have some CPVC here, but the retro pink square tile. Guest bedroom. Wow, these are some big windows all the way to the ground. And bedroom number 2. So they left sliders here, and that's a step down, because this was supposed to be your lanai, your under truss lanai, and they closed it all in, did some hodgepodge. So then out here, you've got just this little spot for your under truss area. I mean, this pretty close to a tear down. There is a big drop at the seawall, the yard there. I want to go walk and look at that. So it's a probably 20-minute boat ride out to the river. And it drops you right out at the miserable mile, so no escaping that. But like, see how the seawall erosion is happening here? Just looking back. Cool cage. But yeah, there's definitely some seawall erosion going on. Would have to see the seawall from the water to really know what's going on with it, but this is what you got across the canal to look at. Older neighborhood. This is off of Pelican, south of Cape Coral Parkway. Not as prime location as others, but it's not terrible. Definitely a project. And like I see here, what's going on with that stucco in here on this side. And I don't even know, this looks like it's just maybe old damage. We'll definitely have to change the footprint of the property in addition to all the repairs.